So here's YNAB app. How will you spend your life? Create a friendly, flexible plan and spend it well with YNAB. So YNAB isn't just a tool for money management, it's a tool for self-actualization. Who do you want to be and how the money you earn help you get there. So yeah, this is the app. You can just use it. There is no iOS app, I think. So here you can just see all your bills and all your analytics for your budget, how you're spending your money. Um, Give every dollar a job will teach you how fund your wildest dreams. So the average user saves $600 in 2 months and $6,000 their first year. So yes, this is kind of like a money tracking app. If you want to feel organized about your finances, that's one of the apps you can try. I don't know if this app is completely legit or is just scammy. There are other apps like Mint app and in this category which you can try to use. Yeah, the moment that's just where it is. They also have like a referral program. They have affiliate program. Share the log, get a free month of YNAB. Share your referral link. So yeah, that's where it is. Try it out. So then you have all the app, but the app is I don't know whether it's available on App Store. So app for web for iPhone. So all right, so seems maybe it's available on the yeah, I was wrong. It's available on the App Store actually. So yeah, there you have it.